upset.
Prepare to see so much of this over the months ahead. The banners and the building. Because the US Supreme Court will play a huge, maybe defining role in the election ahead.
Trump's trials have just begun.
It is, of course, about one man. But here,
thank you guys.
In this first landmark case, it's about a 91-year-old woman, too, Norma Anderson from Colorado, a Republican taking on Donald Trump.
He committed insurrection, and he should not be on the ballot. It's very simple.
Take back our country with weakness. You have to show strength.
Trump's involvement in all this back in January 2021, his incitement of his supporters, disqualifies him from being president. At least that's what the top court in Colorado says. They removed his name from the ballot there.
We have to decide what is the appropriate.
Now the Supreme Court of the land must decide if that decision was right.
Ordering its electors to vote.
Outside court, they listen to the voices of the lawyers and the 9 justices arguing the case.
This was a riot. It was not an insurrection. The events were shameful, criminal, violent, all of those things, but it did not qualify as insurrection.
The question that you have to confront is why a single state should decide who gets to be president of the United States.
From his Florida mansion, Mr. Trump couldn't resist the chance to seize the moment.
Every one of these cases you see comes out of the White House. It comes out of Biden. It's election interference, and it's really very sad.
But this didn't come from the White House or Biden. It came from his own side, people who had voted for him last time.
We think it's really important that that constitutional provision be enforced.
And what did you hear today? Are you confident?
I think we always knew that this was a tough climb.
In the end, it comes down to an interpretation of the US Constitution, a few words written 158 years ago. Do they disqualify Donald Trump from running for president again?
Now, will the court uphold the law?
The court will make its judgment in the next few weeks. If they agree with the Colorado decision, a big if, well, then it will have a profound impact. Other states could disqualify Mr. Trump too. And where would that leave a nation already so riled and divided? Mark Stone, Sky News in Washington.